Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful educational poster like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Alright, so as you already know, the first thing that we have to do is to change the layout here under the head tab. So change the layout here to blank, and then move on to the design tab and customize the slide size. Alright, so we are going to choose here A4, and we are going to choose portrait because it's going to be a poster. You click on OK, and then click on maximize. Alright, so the first thing I would like us to do is to insert the text box at the top here. So to do that, you simply have to go to the insert tab, go to text box, and kind of click here to insert it. Alright, so with this text box, the first text that we have to insert in there will be building a world for your child. Alright, so I would like us to select it and align it to the center. And also the font of it will be Arial, and the size I'll go with 28. Alright, so let me increase it a little. Alright, so now the next thing again that I would like us to do, I'm just going to gently place it around here for the meantime, but I would like us to go back to the insert tab, go to shapes. We are going to insert this rectangle shape right here. Alright, so I'll come and draw it somewhere around here. So for the first time, let's remove the outline. So let's now increase it so that it can fit here. So make sure the height of the shape here will be a little bit above the center. You see, this is the center of it. So make sure it will be a little bit above it. Alright, so I'll bring here down a little again. Alright, so I think this way is not looking bad. So now by leaving it this way, the next thing again I'd like us to do is, when the shape is selected this way, go to insert, go to the shape format and go to edit shape. So we are going to edit the points here. So the first thing that we have to do, bring this one down a little. Alright, so then I'll click on this one and I'll send it down a little. Alright, so I'll take this one and I'll bring it up. So I'll bring this one down also a little. Alright, so I'll leave it this way and then increase the height a little bit this way. Alright, so now I want us to format this shape. So let's format it by clicking on it and go to format shape. I can format it at the top here, but I usually prefer by clicking so that the properties will appear at the right side of your screen here. So go to the field here. We are going to change the color. So I'll choose this color. And I'll click on it again and go and customize that color. So go to more colors. Alright, so I want something like blue violet, something that will look like purple and blue. Alright, so I think this one is not looking bad. So let me try that one and see. Yeah, that one looks perfect for me. Alright, so let's come to this one and select this shape, this text, and change it to the same color that we just customized. So it will be right here at the right same colors. Alright, so now I want us to go back to the insert tab, go to shapes. We are going to insert this rounded rectangle right here. So click on it and come and draw your rounded rectangle. So the same thing applies to this one. Let's remove the outline. And with the shape field, we are going to give you a gradient. So first of all, let's customize it first. Alright, so don't make sure that it will not be too big. It should be medium. Alright, so I think this way is not looking bad, so I'll leave it this way for now. If there's a need for us to customize it, I'll come back later and do it. So now I said it's going to be a gradient field, so when you click on it, it's the default gradient field that you see. So come and click here and click on let's go with this preset because we are going to customize it rather this one. Alright, so with the first one, this first color, come and click on the color here and we are going to customize that color. Alright, so I'll gently, you see this is the current color. This is the new color that we want to achieve. So I'm just going to move around that side to look for the color that I want to achieve. Let me go deeper a little bit. Alright, so I think this color is not looking bad. So I'll choose this color. Yeah, I'll choose this color. Alright, so this color is not looking bad, so that's what I choose. But I'm not stopping there. I'm just going to select this one and I'll come back here and I'll choose this color for it. Alright, so when with the angle, I'm reducing it to 60. So now I want us to take this one and I will make another copy of it. But with this time round, I want us to change this color to white and gently align it at the center. Alright, so let's take this text and we are going to make a copy. So with this text, I want us to change the text of it. I wanted to select and I mistakenly use instead of A. So the text should be connecting students worldwide to online. So I'll select it all and the font, let's customize it. So I'll choose this one and the size, I'll go with 18. Alright, so the color, I'll leave it as it is. So I'll make another copy here and I'm going to change the text to is more than just cooperation. So with this one, the color, I'll choose this color right here. And the size, I'll leave it as it is and I'll choose Calibri as the font. Alright, so I'm just going to take this one at the top here. And I'll make a copy here. And I'm going to change that one. So that one will just be confirm admission. Alright, so the color, let's change it to black. And this one also, we are changing it to 10th to 30th. So 30th of April. Alright, so this one also, let's change it to Arial black. And with the size, I'll try with this one, 28. So let's change the color before, we'll leave there. Alright, so bring this one down a little. And bring this one also closer a little. Alright, so we are not stopping there. Again, we are just going to make a copy of this one right here. So let me change the color so you can see it clearly. So the text there will be discover the joy of learning rather, together. So I'll just area around it. Let's align that one to left. So again, let's make another copy. So with this one, that will be the location. So I'm just going to go with something like 123 University. This is the address that I choose. So the font, I'm just going to customize that one also. Alright, so now I'm going back to the insert tab and I'll go with shapes and I'll click on the rounded rectangle again. So I just want to ask to draw some small shape here. Alright, so the outline, let's give it no outline. And the shape fill, I'll choose this color that I customized. Alright, so let's just make another copy of this one. Or let me say this one because they are all going to have the same font. So this one will be contact us. So I'll bring it down a little. So next, we'll just make another copy again. And with this one, that will be the contact. So I'll just do something like this. So with this, the color of it, we'll choose this color. Not the fill, I mean the color of the text. And the size, we'll go with 38 or 30. Okay, it's too big. Let's try with this one and see what will happen. I guess it's still too big. So I'll just reduce it to 24. Alright, so I'll take this one and I'll make another copy here. So with this one, I already have a text. So for me not to just to type it there, so I'm just going to paste in my text there. It's just a description of it. So I'll just paste it there. Alright, so now let's format it. So with the font, I'm going to choose Calibri. And the size, I'm reducing it to 16. Alright, so I think this one, the knowledge was strongly spelled. So the Radach, that's the name of the education institution. Alright, so let's take this one again and I'll make another copy here. So this one will be Radach. So let me bring it out a little. So with this Radach, let's format it by choosing impact for it. I say impact. The font, let's choose the area rounded, the area black, sorry. And the font size, I'll go with something like 36. So let me just select all of this one and send it to the top a little. So you can have some little space at the bottom. Alright, so let's change the color of it. So now I'll take this one and I'll make another copy here. And this one, let's do it as quality future education. So again, let's take this one and format it. Alright, so now I'm just going to take this one again, this shape that we customize, the purple here. So I want us to go to gradient fill. Alright, so we are not messing things up. I want us to do something here. So we're just going to change the colors. And to do that, I'm just going to send this one to this side. Bring this one to this side. So I'll send this one here. And I'll take this one and the color, I'm going to choose this one right here. So I'll come back here. I will again choose the same color here. Alright, so this is what I wanted to achieve. So I'll bring this one this way. So the preset here, I want it somewhere around here. Alright, so I think the angle is not favoring me, so I'm just going to customize the angle. Alright, so this way is not bad. Alright, so I think this way is not bad, so let me zoom out a little. Alright, so now I want us to start inserting some images here. So to do that, you simply have to go to the Insert tab, go to Insert tab, Images, and this device. I'm choosing this device because it's already in my device. So I'll insert this image first. That's the location icon. So I'll reduce the size and I'll place it inside here. So I'll go back to the Insert tab, go to Images, this device, and I'll then choose this one. Alright, so let's zoom out a little. So with this one, I'm just going to gently send it to the back. So press it a couple of times to send it to the back. So then take this one again and make another copy. So with this one, just come and change the color of it to this one right here. So with this one also, send it to the back. Just press on, click on send it to the back a couple of times to send it to the back. Alright, so now go back to the Insert tab, go to Shapes and click on this one right here. So just come and draw anything of your choice. Alright, so something like this. So we'll come here and then increase the width. So make it 20. And the color, I'll choose this one right here. So with this one again, just click on it and go back to more colors. So I want us to give it 244 each. So then click on OK. Alright, so with this one also, like I said, click on this one also a couple of times and send it to the back. Alright, so our poster now looks nice and clean. So as you can see, everything is well fit and done. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in my next video.